Welcome to Technopedia Talk, your premier source for in-depth technology insights. Today we're delving into the fascinating realm of baby incubators, a cornerstone of modern neonatal care. These sophisticated medical devices serve a vital role in providing a controlled environment for newborns, particularly those born prematurely or with critical health conditions. With advanced features such as integrated sensors, precise temperature controls, and sophisticated monitoring systems, baby incubators enable healthcare professionals to closely monitor and adjust conditions to meet the unique needs of each infant. This level of precision ensures that infants receive the care and support necessary for their health and well-being. In addition to providing a safe and nurturing environment, baby incubators also serve as a platform for delivering specialized medical interventions, such as phototherapy for jaundice treatment. This multifunctionality underscores the versatility and importance of these devices in neonatal units worldwide. Baby incubators employ state-of-the-art technology to replicate the womb's nurturing environment, regulating factors like temperature, humidity, and oxygen levels. By creating an optimal environment for infant growth and development, these devices play a crucial role in supporting fragile newborns during their early stages of life. As we explore the intricate workings of baby incubators in today's video, we invite you to engage with us by liking, commenting, and sharing your thoughts. Your feedback is invaluable as we strive to deliver informative and engaging content to our audience. Be sure to subscribe to Technopedia Talk for more in-depth discussions on cutting-edge technology topics. Together, let's unlock the secrets behind the innovations shaping our world.